Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we have the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. I've got the Starlight Alpine loop case, and it's one size, 49mm. So I'm hoping this doesn't look as huge on my hand. So I've got the 45mm currently, Apple Series 7. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. As you can see here, a brand new packaging for the inside. You've got a little mini book here. What does that say? The different types of bands. Basically just an instruction manual. Put that aside. Let's get this out and put that away. So here's the box. You've got your Alpine loop here. I'm hoping I got the correct size. And then the Apple Watch. So let's get that opened. Here we go. So you've got your braided charger cable in here. And then you've got the watch itself. Let me open that up and pop it out. So here's the watch. It's got a new flat design on the screen. It's got a new action button on the left. It's titanium as well, so you've got your one finish. I think this is cellular as well. Yeah, GPS LTE. And now let's turn it on for the first time. Should have some charge. And whilst that's booting, let's have a look at the Alpine loop. So here it is. It looks quite nice, feels quite nice. Let's pull it apart. There we are. It's decent material. I'd probably stick with my Milanese one. I'm going to try that on this actually and see how it looks. So let me just set up the watch and get back to you. So I've got the watch setting up now, and I've paired it with the Milanese loop. So this is how it looks. I'll show you a better view right now. Here it is. I'm a fan of the Milanese loop paired with this, and as you can see, it does fit in quite nice. A little bit of sticking out on the left, but other than that, I think the old watch bands should fit easily with this, if you've got a large one, that is. And here's the Alpine loop. I'm not a fan of this. It feels nice on the skin, but it's a hassle to put on. I'd probably stick with the Milanese loop. And in case you're wondering how the 45 compares to the 49, here's a side-by-side comparison. So yeah, that's the Apple Watch Ultra unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.